In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export JPEG in DaVinci Resolve. If you've ever needed a quick still image from your video for a thumbnail, a client preview, or a storyboard, exporting a JPEG directly from DaVinci Resolve is fast and reliable. I'll guide you through the exact workflow so your exported frame looks exactly like what you see in the viewer, including your edit, grade, and effects. Start by launching DaVinci Resolve from your desktop or applications folder. Once it opens, either create a new project or open an existing one. Make sure the clip you want is on a timeline so you can see it in the viewer. The JPEG you export will reflect the timeline's current frame, so having everything set up and visible in the viewer is important. Now position the playhead on the exact frame you want to export. The playhead is the vertical line in your timeline that determines what's shown in the viewer. To be precise, you can scrub with your mouse, use the left and right arrow keys to move one frame at a time, or press J, K, and L to move backward, pause, and move forward. Zooming into the timeline can help you land on the perfect moment. With the correct frame showing in the viewer, go to the top menu bar and click File. On macOS, this menu sits at the very top of your screen. On Windows, it's at the top of the Resolve window. From the File menu, choose Export, then select Current Frame as Still. This command captures exactly what you're seeing in the viewer at that moment, including your color adjustments, transforms, and any effects applied on the timeline. An export window will appear. In the Save as Type or Format dropdown, change the selection to JPEG Files, JPG. JPEG is a widely compatible format that balances quality and file size, making it ideal for web use and quick sharing. If you see a quality or compression option, higher quality means a larger file with more detail. Lower quality creates a smaller file, but may introduce compression artifacts. If you're unsure, stick with the default or a high-quality setting. Give your file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and choose a destination folder you'll remember. Consider organizing exports into a dedicated stills or thumbnails folder within your project directory to keep everything tidy. When you're ready, click Export. That's it. Your JPEG is saved to the location you chose and will match the frame you had under the playhead. Use it anywhere you need a clean, single-image snapshot of your video, confident it reflects the look you created inside Resolve.